Along those lines, could blockchain help with identity, especially in regards to a single digital identity credential? If we had to sum up the challenges with digital identity faced by various stakeholders, it might look something like this. For users, the question is how a user can own his or her own digital identity in a way that maintains privacy and permits only the right organizations and individuals to access, store, analyze, or share it. For enterprises, they need to think about how best to identify and authenticate customers while building a profitable data moat and complying with user privacy regulations. And for governments, the question is how governments can create identity management systems that balance convenience and both user and national security. On the flip side, what does ideal identity management look like? First, it would have to be personal and unique to the user. Second, it would have to be persistent and live with the user from life to death. Third, it would need to be portable and accessible anywhere the user happens to be. And fourth, it would have to be private, where only the user can give permission to use or view their personal data. So, could a blockchain provide this, or any of these characteristics? Recall that a blockchain is a type of distributed database that allows untrusted parties to reach consensus on a shared digital history without a middleman. If the shared digital history in question were an identity management system, or a database of identifying information, that might solve many issues with today's centralized digital identity. Here's a quote from Jerry Cuomo at IBM that highlights this idea. Imagine a world where you are in direct control of your personal information, a world where you can limit and control how much information you share while retaining the ability to transact in the world. This is self-sovereign identity, and it is already here. Blockchain is the underlying technology paving the path to self-sovereign identity through decentralized networks.